Right, so we're going to make Dolly's, oh, bang the table. We're just going to make Dolly's little wand now. So with your gold metallic pipe cleaner, fold it in half and just pinch the end together. And what we're going to do is we're just going to twist these together to make one stem. Isn't it sweet? Right, perfect. There we go. Right, now the important thing is the sharp ends are going to be encased in between our little star. So where the star has its inverted side, that's where we want that. And then we are going to sandwich up our star. Just rotate it until you find the best fit for the pattern, which I think is that way. Oh, spot on, look at that. And then we are going to stitch all the way around the outside, top stitch. So again, I've still got my yellow thread, and I'm going to start in a corner, an internal corner. Don't worry if the edges don't meet up, because what we're going to do is just with a normal straight stitch, we're going to go right round the outside and then we're going to trim it up afterwards. So when you turn the work, needle down, foot up and pivot. Needle down, foot up and pivot. And there we go. We're going to go all the way around. Okay, so the stars line up all the way around. Another little stitch there, I think. Now we're just going to sew very gently over our pipe cleaner. There we go, I heard it crunch, that's the one. And we're just going to go all the way around till we've got back to the start. Couple of stitches backwards, and then we're going to trim off our threads. Oh, I do love a bit of sparkles. There we go. Just trim that one off as well. Now you can make a bow for the front of this with a fork, or you can get a piece of your ribbon and just tie a bow. Very easy. Just tie a knot. Get there. Oops. Pull that through. There we go. And we'll just tighten these up so you can pull them back and tighten that knot, and then all we're going to do is we're going to pull the tails down, and there's our bow. So our bow is going to be sewn onto our wand, where the wand meets the pipe cleaner. And we'll just snip our threads, and there's our wand. So we're going to put that to one side for a mo.